Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Michelle Tejada. I'm 37 years old. I live at Parola, Tondo, Manila, Philippines. I have two sisters. I have one son. He's 16 years old and I am the eldest in the family.
What is your educational background?
I'm college level, ma'am.
What course?
I took Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Our Lady of Fatima University.
So only 3 years, right?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Hong Kong, ma'am.
How long did you work in Hong Kong?
2 years.
So what are your duties and responsibility?
I taking care of elderly ma'am and do household chores all around duties.
How old is the elderly?
66 years old.
How many are they in the family?
They are 3.
No children, right?
No children, ma'am.
So how about in Philippines? How long did you work in the Philippines?
Almost 3 years.
3 years. So what are your duties and responsibility?
I took elder couple, ma'am.
Okay, so how many are they in the family?
They are only 2, ma'am.
Okay, so but you have experience to take your children, right?
Yes, of course.
You are the one who take care of your son, right?
Yes, of course.
So what do you
ma'am.
prefer to take care, newborn children or elderly?
Children, ma'am.
Children. If your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any where is your tattoo actually?
I have both in my arms, ma'am, here and
Okay, so do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid caregiver and nurse babysitter?
no, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work again in Hong Kong because Hong Kong offers now a high salary, and I want to support my son to his education.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.